Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Here. David, top of the morning. Patrick, good morning. Oh, wait, hold up. I gotta turn that. Okay, it's off. D Scurv, top of the morning. Dominique, good morning. Let me swap something because I think it swapped the orders. But yeah, good morning. All right, so today, oh, wait, hold up. Gotta swap this to the spy. I knew something was off. Wait. All right, so market is open and I'm not seeing it move the way it's supposed to. Bay Life Digital, top of the morning. Jesus, good morning. All right, so I'm gonna say what looks the most appetizing to me setup wise. If we can get Apple up here to 294.71. Otherwise, I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna have to wait and see how things go for a little bit. And top of the morning. But yeah, we got the SPY kind of coming down right now. Dollar pulling back, but it's up. So yeah, we're gonna sit here. We're gonna see what happens, and maybe after like 15 minutes or so, we'll hop in, look at the what was it, Heikin-Ashi? No, not Heikin-Ashi. Look at the what they called, the gamma exposure, and we'll see what we have. Let me see how things are looking right now. VIX pulling back a little bit. We got Bitcoin up like 2%. SPY chilling around 227. And it's a Thursday instead of a Friday, so it's cool. We may not be looking at quite the same games they're normally going to play. M-Sense, top of the morning. I feel like you haven't been around this week. I know you were here on the Zoom call, but M-Sense, we've been popping off this week. I don't think you were here for too much of it though. All right, let's see here. Bro, I can't even hold up 1 second. Let's see. Hey, shout out to the 7 people that smashed that like button. All right, so we got this SPY pulling down. Here, I'm gonna start looking at the gamma exposure now, just to see what the numbers are looking like right now. See where we possibly might be headed. I still like we hit it in the after hours, but around this 723 or this low that it made overnight, I like those areas, or I kind of did. We'll see if I still like them. Let's look. Let's see. Marcus, top of the morning. Ken, good morning. All right, so it's showing we got a wall of puts at like 725, and the gamma flip is at what is it? Gamma flip is like right here where resistance is. So let's say we start looking better if we get a high on the day. Gamma flip is about right there. So I got that marked up for now. Like, what's today? Today's the 11th. Let me look at tomorrow too, see what that's looking like. I'm not really sure I see a difference. So yeah, we'll see where we kind of start coming down to. Do see there's a decent size wall at 725. So yeah, we'll see how we do there. I'm watching the Heikin-Ashis. April, top of the morning. You said Netflix. I can throw that on the list too. I was looking for another one to throw on. Let's see. Netflix on off. kind of in a consolidating range. So they're, wait, what's going on over here? Oh, I got my 200 moving average down here. Can I move that back up? We'll just hold up. I'm gonna have to get that back up here. There we go. Tortillas, good morning. Said arm is running. Hold on. So, got the SPY. Let's see. I'm gonna look at Netflix, see if there are any interesting numbers on it. Doubtful that I'll trade that with the small account. Nah. Leave Netflix alone. We can take a quick look at ARM. See if there's anything I like there. Let's see. So it has a wall at, oh no, it's well below the gamma flip. Wait, what? Hold up. ARM. Oh, that's for tomorrow. Okay. Nah, yeah, I'm not messing with that. Leave that alone. So Apple's selling off. Doesn't look like I'm gonna get that trade I was looking at. We said hood's popping off again. We'll see. Good start to the morning. So yeah, it moved from about 87 up to like 90. Oh, this is what it did yesterday, right? It kind of, nah, it popped up to like 91.50. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna throw my focus back to the SPY. That's where I feel like I can got it down a little bit more down packed. Also wanted to see what the options are going for right now. See if they're outrageous today at all. And probably formulate a plan, because in the first move I'm trying to make is for the smaller. Ooh, hold up. So puts are okay, and then calls. Okay, so I'm probably, ooh. All right, so I need to wait for a high confidence move if I'm gonna make this trade. Like a high confidence, like, or at least a high confidence level. Monica, top of the morning. Walmart's. Are y'all just saying stocks now? I feel like y'all are just saying stocks now, because I don't think there's stuff going on with all these. Walmart looks pretty flat. There is absolutely nothing here for me. Like, they look like they're getting ready to cross. I'm looking for trades I can actually take on this small account. And then SoFi, last I checked, it wasn't doing too much in the pre-market. So SoFi, I would say it's at an interesting level. Like, I think maybe if we come to a weekly, it's close to its 200. But right here, just what it's doing right now, I'm not taking anything today on it. But I will admit this is an interesting level, and I like it more as it comes down. But beyond that, I'm gonna just leave it at that. Yeah, Robinhood has had that opening pop, but it's looking weaker today. Bombshell Bree, I see your name and I'm like, yo, that name's familiar. But yeah, it's been a minute. You said where's my account sitting right now? Right now on the $100 to $1,000 challenge, we're at like $200. It's been like, if we make a trade today, it'll be our fifth trade in this account. So it's up a little over 100% from $100. Mr. Rainey. Hey, when y'all say these stocks, I'm gonna need y'all's thesis on them too. Cause it's like otherwise I'm just kind of looking at a stock. I don't know if you're looking at it over, like I don't know what time period y'all are looking at it over. It's like I can see advanced industries is at an area of resistance. But from there I'm not gonna play anything on that. Let's see. In a Tesla put held overnight. You said here, so I'll look at Tesla. Right now the dollar is like, hold on, it's slightly in the green. Tesla has pulled back. I don't know. Oh well, actually, let me pull out the gamma exposure real quick. Let's see. So Tesla, there's a big wall at 380. So it's an area I would consider getting out, but also if it can get below 380, you got another area at 375. It might push to, and then 370, and then below 370, there's like nothing there as of right now. But yeah, this is like if I was in a single put, I'd be getting out around this area, just because if there's a wall at 380, sometimes you start finding that pushing the other direction before you get there. And Netflix $85 put July 17th. Hey, good stuff. So I think we had just looked at Netflix. There is a wall at 80, so that's all I can say. Like if it gets below 80, it's gonna move down some more. But there's a wall at 80, so it's like you can take your profits and kind of ride it and know you're taking a chance there, or you can, well, no, you can take your profits and know you have your money, or you can take the chance and like try to ride it on, or you can take your profits, wait for it to show like, hey, it's breaking, look for a retest, and then continue to ride it on. It really just kind of depends, because I know you said July 17th. There's some time in there. It's like what you do with that time is kind of up to you. Like over trading is a thing, so maybe you don't want to be in and out of a trade. I understand that. Like a lot of times I'll see a trade to a certain level, and then it's like, yeah, I know it'll probably go here, but I think right now it's done right here, so I'll get out here. So you said, how's the BBAI leap doing? I'm pretty sure it's pulled back, but I think I'm in the green on it still. Let me see. It's in a different account. I'm up 31% on it. But yeah, it's come down a lot. I think it was up like it was up well over 100% at one point. But I'm still Still got like I think I pick up like maybe $5 or $6 worth of BBAI shares every day. So I like it being down, and it's like I got till 2028. So honestly, I would like to go negative on that put so I can, or on that call so I can get another one, maybe more. Gap up on an AMBA. So we got a gap up on like everything. Oh, this does not look like. Yeah, this is. The trend is down. That's gonna be the most important thing. Like it's riding this 13 EMA down. The trend is down on this until until it breaks and confirms $68. Um, I wouldn't look for it to go up personally. SPY pre-market liquidity on the 1 hour 725.50. Wait, you see that? 725.50. Oh, is that what was going on there? Well, no, that was like pre-market low, right? I mean, you could probably say that on a wait on a I don't know. I still would like to see the levels that it hit last night. So right now I'm waiting. The surest thing I would say right now is like, yo, if Apple can come to this red line, I'll take a short. But I'm not really. I don't really know what's going on right now. But it does look like we're trying to move up right now in the short term. So, shoot, if that can bring Apple up, hey, I'll take it. Also, let me real quick actually look at Apple one more time. I don't think I actually checked the gamma exposure. Yeah, it does show a wall. Yeah, so I think Apple might be the move today if we get this move up. It's the PCE. PCE's at 0.73. Okay. Watching that Netflix drop since last night. It dropped right at open and turned. Hey, that's. I feel like that's what the market did. Well, no, market kind of like gapped up. But yeah, that's kind of what happens whenever there's a wall of say buyers or a wall of sellers. It'll come to that area and then it'll just move. Kong said AMD. So AMD it hit a critical level last night. So AMD is probably rocketing up right now. If I'm yeah, so AMD came hit this level. Next level would be 431, but AMD pulled back to a level, and now it's moving up. AMD could wait, yeah. So similar to that other one, AMD actually might have a potential for a short. So let's say like right here at like if it can get to this 481 level, I would say yeah. We'll watch out for that. I don't think I'll be able to take this in my small account, but this might be one I'm willing to take on my other one today. So here, let me just throw an alert on that. See, yeah, if AMD can get to 481, which at this velocity would not be a surprise. That is a possibility. I think that's a good short right there. You said on hood, SPY chart looks way different on liquidity. Do you have your extended trading hours on Robinhood? Because a lot of times it'll look different, like extended trading hours, and also like what time frame, like what time frame are the candles you're looking at? All right, I'm saying, so there's Tesla at the bottom. Tesla's at like 385. Yeah, so we got some stuff moving out the bottom. Honestly, AMD is trying to go for it. Let me first off, let's look at the let's check the gamma exposure on that real quick. Kong did right by calling that out. Okay, so AMD does have a wall at 480, but there's also a mega wall at 500, and AMD is positive gamma, or positive, yeah, positive gamma. Um, Here, let me see what the options look like. I don't want to take it in the small account, so if I take it, it's gonna be in a different one. But let's see, AMD. See what but yeah, the contracts on AMD are like out of this world. Let me see where I would even think like lean for this to go. So from this spot, okay, a $20 move. So from 480. Look at 460. Okay, I'll try it potentially. Yeah, I'll try it. This will be a different account. It's definitely a lot. Like these contracts aren't cheap. But yeah, I'll try one, see what happens potentially. So yeah, lost $3 on TSLL. Should have taken. Yeah, gotta be careful. May not be over though. What's the dollar doing? Dollar is honestly kind of sideways. Okay. SPY trying to come back to the high. Oh, also Apple trying to make a move too. Dude, this might be a better move for me. Might be a better move for me than what is it, AMD? Stick to that. AMD's a bit like I probably need my portfolio to be at least like 5 times the size it's at right now. Like unless this trade goes exactly where I want it to go, it's gonna knock me back a little bit. So probably just won't take it. But anyone curious, I was looking at taking like the 460. Like when we hit this 181 or 481, I'm gonna add it to my watch list just to see how it does. But I was looking at taking a 460. Actually, the price is trying to come down. I don't know. Maybe it might be. We'll see. I'm gonna take. Oh yeah, that's very. You know what? Yeah, I might take it. We'll see. Contracts coming down a little bit. Just would hope that we can get the move today. So pushing on up a little bit. See if Apple can move up too. I would I would like that. I mean, Apple's already. Oh no, not. I guess not technically. No. Disregard what I was saying. I appreciate that, Tortillas. Yeah, be sure to smash the like button, family. My YouTube is being a little weird right now, or my like back end for the streaming's being weird, so I can't. I gotta like actually be on the stream to see things. Okay, we got like 27. Hey, shout out to the 27 of y'all that smashed the like button. All right, so we got AMD coming up. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I also like that up here, like it can push past this 481 level, but we also got resistance on this trend line that used to be support. So that's something to look for right there too. Check the numbers. So SPY's back around like high a day. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I think we're coming back down. Let me look at some stuff real quick. Let me go look at the SPY. That might be a little move right there. No, we got like so many different walls. So I'm not just gonna like grab something for the small account right here yet, because we could like move higher, but I think on the AMD, if it comes to that level, that does look good. Yeah, Jesus, we got SPY going up. Honestly, um, I'm not willing to do anything on the $100 account until we're like, if the SPY is at 735, or if it comes down to 721, or if Apple comes to like this 290, 469 level. But honestly, nothing's come to the level yet. So we just sitting here waiting. What time is it? We're like, hold up, do we? No, we had data pre-market. Okay, we're chilling. All right, so SPY back to 730. That was SPY's little run. All right, we got AMD trying to push up again. Yo, it's trying. Bring it on up. Bro, Apple does not look like it's trying to go hit that level. But yeah, if AMD does, I'll grab me a contract. So Apple pulling on back. right, so we got a candle close. Apple still pulling back. Shoot, let's see what other stuff's out here doing. All right, AMD trying to move closer to gold. SoFi off the bottom. That's cool too. SoFi at 16. All right, AMD about at the high of the day. All right, we got SPY coming high of the day. AMD trying to come back up. Okay, AMD coming down in price a little bit. Okay. All right, so I got filled on AMD. I didn't think the price would like come that low that quickly, but I picked up a AMD 390 or a 460 put expiring tomorrow. Let me share that out real quick, and also verify that it goes to the Discord too real quick. Just grabbed an AMD. What was it? 460 puts expiring June 12th, paid $390 per share. So I got in a little early on that, but let's see. Or actually, we'll see if it even comes to that level. Sometimes, I may have just gotten got. We'll see. Let me check the Discord, make sure that actually goes through. Okay, that went through. Okay, cool. That's what we want to see. You said, is Tesla put ready? I'm not trading Tesla, so I don't know about a Tesla put. I didn't see anything with Tesla that had my confidence enough for that. Like I didn't have a high enough confidence in the Tesla setup, so I can't say. We looked at Tesla a couple times today, but right now I'm focused on AMD and then maybe the SPY. Hey, what's up, Moo? Yeah, I'm not trading Tesla. Like I can say it's at resistance, but yeah, I'm not grabbing anything on that. So I grabbed I grabbed a 460 put on AMD. It expires tomorrow, but I hope to be out today, honestly. I paid $390 per share, so currently up 7% on it. Still like watching them, still watching for the small account, but I'll say like I do see the dollar going up right now. Here, actually, I'm gonna wait a little bit. Honestly, if the dollar decides, hey, we want to continue going up some more, shoot, I might make a move on the small account too. Let me go over. Bezos speaks to CNBC exclusively as his AI startup Prometheus raises $12 billion. Okay. So we got AMD pulling back a little bit. We got the dollar moving up. Honestly, we're trying to ride the 15 on the dollar. Here's what I'm gonna do. Let me see. Let me see what the SPY. Am I in the right account right now? No, that's not the right account. Let's see. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna watch the Heikin-Ashi for the SPY. We'll see how things do. I do lean towards us going down, but it might have to be like I don't know, something quick. I don't know. Let me come down, see how we're looking on the 15. A lot of resistance here at this level. Let me go to, once again, check out. All right, so Gamma Flip has moved up to about 732 now. See if we can come up into that. Because I think I want the SPY once again for this small account. Apple doesn't look like there was an Apple trade there, but they didn't want to come to my level to make it like, hey, we can get into this trade. So I had to let that one go. Honestly, not too much going on at the moment. I got my alert set for Apple. I'm gonna move on to something else in this area because yeah, it's not gonna do anything. Or if it does, I'll get an alert. Adobe moving down. Oh, you know what? Let me check out DraftKings real quick. That had popped up on mine. Okay. Options grow at top of the morning. Bro, this 730 levels trying to push us down a little bit on the SPY. Well, we're trying to. Oh, actually, we're kind of just holding around it, honestly. You said you have the AMD put. I think it's doing all right. Let me go back and check on. Actually, here I'm gonna have to look at it. I'm gonna have to pull it up on my iPad because I got this. I'm like ready for this buy on the small account. Oh, so that contract price is running up. Hold up. I'm gonna need that to chill out. Maybe I should have got it sooner. I might have to go to a different contract. I'm back on out of that a little bit. Let's see. See how AMD's looking. Okay, yo, shout out to Kong. Yeah, the AMD is up 35%. And we got the dollar moving up too. Okay. Alright. Hike and Ashy. Yo, it's making it look like we wanna ride that down. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a little pullback, but like a little pullback in price a little bit. But I'm gonna say we're probably going down. Let me look at that contract I was originally looking at. Okay. Try to move up a strike. Alright, so small account, I just grabbed a 726 put that expired like a 726 0 DTE and I paid 190 per share. Currently down on it, but that's what I'm in. So grab that about right here. And now I'm gonna just ride the hike and ashes. This I'm looking for momentum here. Hopefully we can see the dollar still going up. I am in the green on those now. All right, so that AMD is up 50%, and the SPY put is up 10%. So that's $21 right now. All right, so trying to ride the hike and Nashi. You want to see what it gives us. But yeah, we're in trades. Dominic, you said, can you come out? Yeah, you can come out whenever you want. Like it's at 52%. That contract is up $200. That is solid money. Like I'm cool with that. Like honestly, might dip out here in a second. Should you wait? What I would say is, if you have to ask the question if you should wait, you should probably cut out. That's my take. If you have to ask, like that means like you're happy taking that money. I'm happy taking the money. I'm just like right now I'm kind of watching the dollar and also kind of just watching the move. But yeah, it's like $200 moves you forward. Yeah, it's like I can't fully say. It's like I had the trade going to what was it like 460? But it can go further. Also, hey, shout out to Kong for like calling out the AMD. It's up almost 70%. And it didn't even hit my entry, honestly. But that's something AMD does sometimes, or a lot of times. It'll come like pretty close. And then the SPY put, it's up 15%, $29. So that's doing all right too. Yeah, it's doing a little dump. Yeah, so that AMD's up 75%. SPY puts up 13%. And not doing any trading tomorrow. I'll be traveling tomorrow, y'all. All right, so I just sold out of the AMD at 680 per share. So yeah, just took quick profit around like 75%. Just cause that's chill for the day for me. Let me post that in the Discord real quick. So yeah, that's the SPY put I got, Ken. That's I grabbed the 0 DTE, but here let me real quick post this trade. Just took profit on AMD put at what is it, 680 per share. Yeah, it's like I think it can continue going down, but we're not trying to be greedy around here. Also, not trying to just ride a trade all day. All right, so hey, all right, SPY put up 33%, $63. Shit, I was about to take profit on it, but it just what is it? It just like jumped right when I was like, hey, let me get some profit. Hey, good stuff, Dominique. Very welcome. You say, yep, never turn a winner into a loser. SPY may hit 15-minute. Hey, for real. For real. Yeah, they're trying to bring the SPY up right now. I'm gonna need them to chill out with all that. Said now only trade with our group here. Matthew, hey, 100%. Hey, well, unfortunately, will not be here tomorrow. Be on the road, but yo, enjoy your weekend. All right, so we still got the hike and Ashley's moving. All right, so we got the contract is up 25%. It's moving. It's moving. It's up 34%. All right, it's jumping around, honestly. And when I say it's jumping around, I'm gonna be real. It's jumping around a little too much for my taste. I just want to make progress on this account and move forward. So here, right there, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out. So I just took profits on the 726 put at 258 per share. So the $100 account is now $269.61. And here, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Let me pull it up on my computer. Let's see. Where is it? What is it? Robinhood. 1 second. Oh, it wants me to log in. Hold up. Now I only have 73 buying power on Moomoo plus 64 on Robinhood. SPY call 26%. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Hey, get that money. So paper traded to feed me wanting to. Hey, good. Yeah. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. All right, y'all. I'm done for the day when it comes to trading. But yo, if y'all got anything y'all want to look at, hey, let's do it. I'm gonna show y'all the progress of the small account. Why is it not loading? Oh, there we go. Oh, and I'm gonna have to move some money over to my Roth. Okay. All right. So small account. So funded it April 24th, and as of right now, it's up 169% from. I think the first day we actually traded it was May 15th. So yeah, from May 15th to June 11th, we're rocking a 169% return. Just taking, I would say one trade a day, but we're doing this once a week. So yo, it's hey, progress, family. Baby steps. They get bigger. All right, let's see. These girls said, where are you traveling to? So I'm going to Utah, for like a little conference with my wife over the weekend. So I wouldn't say it's like fully vacation, but we're staying like an extra day to see a friend out there. We'll probably like hike or something. Thank you, Dominique. Magboni, how can I join family? Need the Discord. So I'm gonna show y'all. Actually, I don't fully know. I think there's a link in the description. Yeah, in the description where it says FreedomCharts and Community Live Mentorship. That is gonna be the Discord. So, oh, hold up, that's wrong. I don't even think that works anymore. I'm gonna have to get that fixed. Let me see. Does that work? Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that fixed. Here, I'll drop a link. So there's kind of like two sections to it. I still need to put pictures on my website, but that's it. Let's see. Monica, darn, I'm so spy skittish because it has done me dirty. Didn't take any of the trades. There will be others. Honestly, like I don't even think today's trade really happened yet. Like I would say there's great reason to be skittish, and I would say honestly the only reason I took that trade is because all this week I'm gonna let y'all know, like a week ago when we first got this no PDT. Yeah, when we first got this no PDT or whatever, I was like, yo, I'm gonna be slow with it. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't really fully understand the rules because it still said something about margin requirements or at the different brokerages disposal, but the main one that I've been trading with over the past week, oh, I had like, what is this? So I had like $263 in this account a week ago. It's just below 1,500. Just since the whole PDT thing. As it's because I don't have to worry about what is it like the day trades. It's like a lot. I don't take a lot of trades because I'm like, I need to know I can get out of it, so I like leave myself day trades. But is what it is. Shane said, "Dang, just a few hours south." I hope to have fun. Hope to. I'm gonna say, hey, the flights were not cheap. Were not cheap. I was like, man, I think it's because of the whole everything going on. I always forget what it's called. The Strait of Hormuz. I was like, man, hey, honestly, that was a good place to take profit on AMD too. Now looking at it, and now we chilling. We got an hour where we just chilling, y'all. And what's crazy is I don't intend on it, but I can still day trade. That's the crazy part to me. It's almost like I might have a new routine. It might be like, yo, I feel like I can always squeeze something small out, squeeze out a small trade. But my thing was like, oh, I don't think that's worth it. But now that the day trades are unlimited, it's like, oh, I can squeeze out something small in the morning, and then whenever it's like, what is it? Squeeze out something small in the morning, and whenever I actually get an alert set for the setup I like, I'll take that any time of day because it's like, oh yeah, that is money. It's like, oh, that's money I know is coming instead of me like, oh yeah, I have to sit here and watch this. So that's insane. You said, wow, AMD moved so well. First time trading it. Yeah, it went back up, and yeah, it does. Yeah, it does add up. I'm leaving it alone. So AMD, like I have shares, and I'll just trying to stick to and like ride with those shares. But I'm like, man, let's see. All right, so I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna erase the charts or erase like the trades because I still don't think. I mean AMD. I think AMD will be a continuation, but I'll say like the spy. We haven't like really nothing's really happened with it yet. The small account done with that for today, but should I see something? Might be down to go for something else. Hey, 33% on the small account. We'll take it. Yo, what's going on? All right, let's see. All right, so out to the 1 hour on the SPY. Yeah, we're just consolidating right now. Got the dollar kind of moving up. Let me check the gamma exposure once again. Still got that wall at 730. Yeah, I think so it's looking like right now we might be locked between 730 and 725 on the SPY. I say overall trend is still down on the SPY. And then also we're still in a volatile kind of, we're still in a very delicate state on the SPY. Like we're below the gamma flip, so we are still at a kind of at a point where the market could just drop like a rock at any point. So should we come close to the 732 again? If you want some more, I would say there is a good chance of that being a good area to grab a put today, but that's just what it looks like. But yeah, we kind of appear to have slowed down. Why am I looking at the Russell right now? Hold on. Dang, hold up. Hey, Salesforce is at here, let's go up to a higher time frame. Let's go up to like a weekly. Salesforce is either about to drop even lower or, oh, okay. Actually, their trend is down. Salesforce is at a area of support. Should they lose this, they could drop some more. What they're like 165. I'm gonna be real, I wouldn't trade it, but I think they could have another nice move down should they break this level. All right, so we got the SPY dropping some more. It's back to 727.75. Here, I'm gonna keep looking, see if I see anything. All right, so we got the dollar continuing up. So, yo, that's more downside. Like as that dollar goes up, if it goes on to kind of push new highs, expect to see some things coming down, like the SPY, for instance. Honestly, let me see what we're looking at price wise. Right, yeah, I just see this dollar and I'm just like, man. Let me take the dollar back, or the SPY back down to the 15. Shoot, if the dollar holds up here and we can make another move to like almost 730, that's like super easy money. I'll get in. Like I honestly feel like I can get in now on some puts, but I also feel like, yo, I'm just being greedy. You said, so if SPY hits around 732, would that be, assuming conditions don't change? Yeah, that would be amazing. But also, Like honestly, I think it's not a bad idea now. I'm just like I feel like I want to see like 7:30 again, but also I would not be surprised if we don't get that opportunity. But issue. Good morning. Top of the morning. Yeah, Dominique, I'm talking about the SPY right now. Yeah, we got that dollar, the dollar moving up. And we got the SPY trying to ease up a little. Shoot, hold up. Let me shoot, hopefully this dollar holds up. There is some liquidity there though. Hold up. I don't know. I'm gonna go like light, just at the money. Yeah, we're at okay. Yeah, go on, move on up. Go on. I'm gonna just get one. Zero DT. Alright, so I just grabbed a SPY 729 that expires today. And I paid 268 for it. Shoot, if I go like really down on that, I'll go ahead and I'll average down like if it runs up, but right now I see this dollar running up and I'm leaning towards it coming down, so we'll kind of like wait here, see how things go. But oh yeah, that's a good look. Oh yeah, go on, pop up. Shoot, yeah, if we want to come closer to that 732, yeah, let me go on and grab another one. If that happens. I'm probably down on those, the one I got. Let me see. Yeah, I'm down. I'm down like 10%. Yeah, I grabbed a SPY put. It's like a 729. But yeah, hopefully this dollar just keeps moving. But hey, we chilling. You said so if it hits 730. Oh, I'm in a 729 put. So honestly, whatever put you want to grab, it's like grab them. That's like ideally you're just looking riding it down. Like if you get it at the money, like you'll probably see greater profits. So if it's at 732, yeah, 732 would pay more. I'm just uh I'm just saying. Honestly, I'm not sure we'll see 732, but it's a possibility. I'm just riding what's in front of me. I'm gonna let me be real here. There's not like a clear obvious trade right here. This isn't shouldn't be like as big as something like I would say if it comes to 732, it'll be a little bit obvious, more obvious, but there's not a clear obvious trade like right here. Teach me to fish. No, I'm buying just regular single legged calls and puts. You said, good morning. What's the target for the SPY put? Ideally, just the next level. So right now, next level is around 727. Then below that is probably going to be about 725. You just ride from target to target. So it's like similar to whenever you're driving a car, you have a destination. Sometimes there are some stops along the way. If there's a stop along the way and you want to get out, just get out at that stop, because it's not always a straight line to the target. Very welcome, Swanfoot. Yeah, a whole lot of nothing going on right now. Let's see. I do like to see that dollar going up. The SPY is 729.54. Hey, as long as the dollar holds, we good. We got Euro closing about 47 minutes. 001 money PLV. Hey, welcome family, welcome. Ever since been driving, been listening, also watching SPAC creep up, and now it's just looking it's awesome. You said when I say target? No, so when I say target, I'm talking about like where you think it's going. So ideally, whenever you get a trade, like before you take a trade, you should have a plan for entry and a plan for exit. And like if you don't have an exit plan, then you're just gonna be in there. You might watch the trade go green, but then you might watch it go red too. And having a target would just what is it? Having a target would just like it gives you a plan. That way if things go wrong, your money's preserved, and if things go right, you know kind of what it should look like, because sometimes things go right and then they go wrong and you're like, oh man, I should have cut out. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Hold on, let's see. Okay, let's see. Buyers acting like it's going to be bullish today. Please let's wrap it up. Hey, for real. So that's something I like to do though. But something a lot of people don't realize is, yo, we got the dollar right here telling us, yo, we are likely coming down. Like, honestly, now I'm looking at, yeah, I'm probably up on that car right now. Because it's in the money. It's at 728. I look away for a moment and, yeah, we're up. Oh, it's up like 17%. So that's like $43. That's cool. Okay, let's see. But yeah, if I'm gonna say, as long as this keeps moving up, we should have confidence in riding this. Like I'm gonna say, like if it comes all the way to 725, I'm for sure getting out. But it's like if I see it turn around, or if I'm just like whenever I'm done on this stream, I ideally just cut out. This is when I'm just kind of riding while we're on stream, so we have something to do together. Alex, hey, what's up, family? How you doing? I'm glad you could make it today. I still got another layer. Here we go. All right, SPY is 727.83. So getting a little deeper in the money. Let's see. Still about like 16% on it. You said, what do I know? SpaceX IPO tomorrow. So I know it's IPOing tomorrow. I don't really do IPOs. And honestly, I'm actually pretty happy that I will be traveling. So yeah, I will not be doing any trading tomorrow. I just take it one day at a time. I'm not going to be around for the markets, but yeah, just talking about like typical kind of what typically happens with IPOs. I can see it running up. Like if it's going to run up, it'll likely run up for the first week. Like there'll probably be some drops. Like it'll run up, there'll be some drops. But I think it'll go up, and then the following week, whenever the options contracts come out on it, it'll probably come down, and that's the move. So D-Scurv said, if you can go to Zion Canyon, and bro, I want to go there. I want to go there. I don't think I'll be able to go this time, but I'm supposed to go to Utah again, like later in the summer. I think that would be the time, like, because this time is business. The other time will be more pleasure, like, so. I think I'll get to hike, but I don't think could be Zion. I don't know. We'll see. I think it'll be something like a little more local. I don't know. We'll see. I'll definitely update you though. Definitely keep you updated for sure. Not in real time though. All right, so SPY at 7.27. We still got the dollar running up. So hey, let's ride this. Ride it. Ooh. Humbly speaking, I only have access to Robinhood. What are 2 to 3 indicators I can use in TradingView? So I got a video that will kind of go over exactly that. I don't think you really need indicators. I think you just need to understand market structure, if I'm being honest. But I like the 13 and 48 EMAs would be the only things. Like if I only had 2 things on this chart, these are like everything here is information, but I haven't used any of it to trade today. Like the RSI, that's whether it's overbought or oversold. That's not anything I've used to trade today. So it's like if you feel like you need indicators, EMAs, like the 13 and 48 EMAs, but I don't think you need those. I think what's most important is to understand market structure. It's like I got one video on my channel that explains all that though. Here, let me see if I can like pull it up. Where we at? So this right here is an actual playlist. That first video will show you everything that you need to actually understand trading and how to set up the charts and whatnot. But one thing I'm a little confused about, you said only have access to Robinhood, but you said what are 2 to 3 indicators you can use in TradingView? So it's like if you're using TradingView, that video will show you exactly how to set it up and like what indicators like I use in the tools and stuff. But yeah, never think you need indicators. It's just like helpful bits of information. It's like they're never like the indicators aren't gonna tell you buy, sell. There are some that do, but I'll say in my experience, they're kind of whack. All right, so SPY is at 7.27. We still got the dollar going up, so I'm gonna ride it. It's up 28%, $75. I'll take an extra $75. And we still got about 36 minutes on the stream. Hold up, I I need to change something about this. Let me pull up Claude. Okay, where we go? Oh, Spy at 726.58. Okay, that's some. Okay, Spy's coming to a point where it's like, okay, I want to cut out and take my profit. Oh yeah, it's up 56%, $150. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out. All right, so I'm out at 411 per share on that 729 put. Um, yeah, yeah. So 53% profit on that. All right, yeah. I'm gonna say I'm done for the day after that. But yo, good stuff. Good stuff there. So 725 is going to be the next wall or next area where there is support, but below that things can get wild. Like yo, we can come down here to 721. But yeah, I like to say I'm probably done on the weekend. Also want to say, like, look at AMD. It's still moving. I think it can move here. I'm gonna say to at least like 458, but I'm not going to. I'm not trying to be a part of that. Yeah, look at that nice little drop. That was brought to you by the dollar, and thank you, Alex. I need to start packing on the cool. I haven't packed a single thing, but it's kind of just a weekend trip though. But like I legit hadn't even like thought about it. Like, hey, I'm gonna need to pack. Hey, peace out, Alex. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed weekend. And yeah, I guess I will see you next time. Hold on, let's see. Oh, hold up. Hold on, y'all. Gotta type something to Clark. Oh, look at that. It's about, yeah. It's about at 725. That's wild. Let's open that back up. All right. Yes, sir. Got gains. I'm out. Hey, yo. Yes. Enjoy your weekend. It's up 95% on SPY. Yo, get the money. Get the money. All right. So one thing I do want to bring to your attention. It's not like it's falling down, but the dollar. Notice the dollar did kind of halt here. So just be wary of that. As it starts to pull back, we might see a little turnaround on the SPY potentially. That's assuming it doesn't go and continue the trend. Let's see. Let me see if this works. Let's give it a little refresh. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's better. All right. So, yeah. You can see there are some buyers there. Notice price dip below. We hit 724.44, and now it's kind of being held up a little bit. Like there's a slowdown, essentially. Bro, I know that AMD. I know that AMD put is crazy. Like I know that AMD put if that was held on to. I'm just out of curiosity. Let's see where it is. What is it? AMD. It was like a 460 put for today or tomorrow. Oh yeah, it's at about 935, and we got that for like 4 something. Oh, I got it for 390. Hold up. Yeah, so that's like 545. That's clean. That's clean. All right, look at that. Yeah, SPY doing a little bouncy bounce. All right, so next area. Like if you see SPY back up at 729 or so, or possibly like 728, 30 or so, that would be the next one. All right, Emerson grew the cap in that account 85%. He said, "I'll get over it." Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. At work, about to get this 9 to 5 bread for a few minutes, then I'm back to back on the charts. I'm about to go to Best Buy with my wife and then probably take her somewhere to eat. Or actually, I gotta check and see what food we have first. Make sure we don't have anything that goes bad. If we have stuff that goes bad, we probably need to eat that. But yeah, hey, just for the record, we're likely just chilling here the rest of the day while we're on stream. Unless y'all got any questions or anything. Yeah, because the next 25 minutes, hey, strictly just vibe. So if you're looking for more trades, there will likely not be any. I'm just here clocked in. Just like M-Sense is about to. Shoot, let me check in and see how BBAI is doing. Okay, it's at like $4.01. Oh, hold up. I missed my little dad joke yesterday. What kind of music do mummies listen to? Rap music. All right, so that was for June 10th. Wednesday, June 10th. All right, now it is Thursday, June 11th. Why did the cookie cry? Because its mother was a wafer so long. Okay, that one was something. Oh, M-Sense, you got it. Okay, SPY bouncing off that support. You said would I? So James, typically, the trend is going to be your friend. So ideally, like I'm not saying you can't make money with it, but I would not, because there's not like a clear enough area where I'm like, hey, I know it's coming here today. But it's like ideally you're trading with the trend. So it's like the trend is down. So we get back to a certain level of resistance. Like we come back up to a certain level of resistance, I hop in for the downside. Because the stock market doesn't move in a straight line. It's like more of a, like you got a peak. Like it's like, oh, we come up here, we move down here. We come back up here, we move down here. The trend overall is down, but it's like ideally, oh, we came down. Oh, by the time we make this low, I know the trend's down. Oh, we pull back and it's kind of about where it started. All right, I'm gonna look to grab a put here. And then it's like, oh, we make a new low. It's like, I'm gonna try to ride it while it's going down. And whenever it looks like, oh, it's starting to curl back up, I just wait it out for the next one. Oh, it's at resistance. I might consider getting a put here. And then, oh. So ideally you're trading with the trend. There's a lot more money to be had there typically, but it's also important to be able to recognize when the trend changes. So ultimately it depends on what time frame you're trading on. These curves, Time is it like 10:30? Check the weather for today. It was all sunny earlier. It still looks kind of bright, but it's cloudy now. Oh, I open my phone, start looking at the stocks. Okay, it's supposed to be a windy day. Okay. ASL, Syad, Yo-Yo, I trade HFX, but now getting back into stock options because I have the credit card for Robinhood. He said, "How do you find the once?" Yeah, I got a video that explains it perfectly and actually shows. Let's see. So that video right there, that's gonna tell you exactly. That's gonna be the exact answer to your question. It's 9 minutes long, and it gives you the exactly what you want. It's gonna make it easier than probably anyone has ever explained it to you. Like I'm not gonna say like it's. I'm gonna say to my knowledge, it's the easiest way to pick a strike price, and I've never seen anyone explain it like that. But I'm not gonna say there's nothing better out there. I was trying to catch the forward play on the sell, but my order didn't fill, and I understand how to get the order to fill, but now I'm trying to find the best strike price entry and how long do you hold? Oh, you know what? Okay, so I got a video that I will publish today or maybe tomorrow. I got a video, it's like sitting on my back end, and make sure to have the notifications on, but the video is about, wait, why am I not on my channel? Hold on. The video is essentially about like what time frame to try and trade on, and it talks about like, hey, if I see a setup on this time frame, then I'm going to get this much time for my trade. This is how long I expect the trade to take. So it's like, depending on what time frame you're looking at, kind of determines how much time you want to get on the contract. You always want to get more than you need, but it's going to depend on the time frame. In the video, what's it called? So I think it has multiple names, but the first name is going to be the best time frame to trade is not what you think. You said, do I have a hike and Ashley video? No, I do not. I do not. Unfortunately, not yet, I guess. Guess we'll have to do that. Honestly, I've been going ham with like the Amazon videos because of we got Prime Day in like 2 weeks. So it's like I was like, yo, let me get these videos for Amazon out back, and then I'm like, yo, let's shift back to the trading stuff. But it's like last Amazon day, I was like, or last Prime Day, I was like, yo, what? And it's like, I was like, wow, I barely put any work in. I was like, yo, if I put some work in, that's crazy. It says SPY's up again. Oh, it's trying. Yeah, it's trying for another one. And you got the dollar trying to come back up too. It's crazy. There's so many like pieces to the puzzle that it's like that kind of help make things clearer. Like, it's like I can try to tell y'all everything, but it's like I know y'all can't get everything all at once. Do you have a video showing how you set up your screen? Yeah, it's the playlist I posted earlier, so I'm gonna make it pinned comment. So that pinned comment in the chat, that is going to take you here, right? So this video is exactly what you just asked for. It starts off how to set up your charts, goes into how to set up the tools in your chart, talk about good stocks to trade, how to read a candlestick, then how to analyze a trend. I feel like a lot of people, like if you don't understand this, you need to understand how to analyze the trend so you can trade with the trend. From there you have how to draw trend lines, which is a very solid strategy I still use. Where are we at? And then after that, analyzing the trend on a live chart, and then understanding risk versus reward, which kind of helps you figure out whether the trade is worth it or not, where to place your stop loss. So if you know how to analyze your trade and where to place your stop loss, you have your entry and your exit plan. So now you're like solid to take a trade and be there. And this is where to take profit. And then the other stuff, this is like stock stuff. But if you go on, notice there are other videos after it. This playlist is designed to help you through the journey, and like I think by the third video is actually how to trade options. This is the development of how you would go about and trade options. So it's like first is like how to trade options, and it's like, okay, I want to practice that. Okay, how to practice it without using your own money. Then it's like, oh, you know what? I wish I could set a stop loss. How to set a stop loss. And it's like, oh, I've been buying options contracts, but it's like, I don't exactly know which, like, I'm not sure if I'm getting the best ones. Or like, I don't understand how these contracts are moving. This is like, hey, want to understand options contracts pricing? Here we go. And then it's like, hey, am I grabbing the best one? I'm not sure I have been. You got the hack for finding a perfect strike price. And then this is the setup that I actually watch. And then actually now I look at it, that video I said is coming out, it actually looks like it's at the end of this playlist, like the best time frame to trade. So if you click on it through the playlist, the video is, I guess, technically already like visible by you. It's the very last one in the playlist. So if you wanted to watch it now, but I'll end up publishing it later. All right, so SPY, moving back down. So yeah, pulled to that 13 EMA, about that 728.50. Now might be going back to retest that 725 area. Okay, you said what date expiration do you use? It really just depends. Like today I've been grabbing the 0 DTs because I have unlimited day trades and I'm finding this stuff on like lower time frame. But if I'm swing trading, I usually get like 2 weeks or so. Hey David, very welcome. Very, very welcome. And just so y'all know, aside from today and Monday, or tomorrow and Monday, we are live every day in FreedomCharts. There is a 5-day free trial in the description. Just so y'all know, take trades like this every day. Especially now that there is no limit to the day trades. God bless. Appreciate that, Ken. Yeah, I tried to make that like a year ago and have like swapped out and updated some videos, but yeah, I decided to make that just because so many people kept asking. I'm like, yo, I got it all on my channel, but I guess they weren't all together, but they are now. Let's see, where's my mouse at? Oh, there it is. Are those videos just for Robinhood? Use Thinkorswim or Mumu? So I have some Mumu videos too, but I would say those are what is it? What was I going to say? What was the question? Oh, you said is it just for Robinhood? So a lot of the videos are Robinhood, but they apply elsewhere too. Like if you want to see like the actual like how to videos on how to like set a stop loss or how to actually execute a trade, I have those videos on my channel. They're just not in that playlist. I'm actually probably about to, I'm gonna say after Prime Day, I want to do like a speed run and create like a bunch of tutorials for Mumu, but I do have Mumu tutorials on my channel. I don't, I personally have not used her. I know they have paper trading, but I personally have not used their paper trading, so I don't know if there's like a similar way to practice options on there, but I do have like good Mumu tutorials on the channel as well. Thinkorswim, I don't use it anymore, and it was like very RAM intensive on my computer, so I don't. Tortillas, you said maybe for 4th of July you can do a Freedom Chart special lifetime sale. I'm gonna be real. I don't like necessarily like the idea of sales for holidays. I think like it kind of degrades the value and whatnot. But I will say I will talk with my person about it. I was like, if they think it's a good idea, this will be like chill. But it's like my thing is it kind of inflates over time. It's kind of my deal. It's like I really subscribe to whenever people are like, oh, when I think of every course I've ever bought, I bought because people are like, yo, the price is only going up over time. And it's like, I got in earlier, I learned the stuff faster. Like, I have courses I paid like maybe like $300, I got lifetime access, and people are still buying the course today, and now the course is like $800. And it's like, I believe there's something to the urgency. Like, the people who got in like, I want to say like October last year, they pay less, and the prices it just kind of goes up. So it's kind of like buying a house in 2020. It's like the price is just going up. He said market might be turning. Market might be turning. I'm gonna say we're still following the trend down. We got the 13 and the 48 EMA cross to the downside. I think here let's check the gamma exposure real quick, just to give y'all a report before we get out. So the gamma flip is going to be 730.51, so that's moved down. So that's the gamma flip. Above that's when things, it might try to stabilize and go up, but we're still in like an area where it could just drop like a rock at any point. Emerson said my Robinhood's letting me trade unlimited, but Weeble's still tripping. I can't tell you honestly. I have no idea. Like I saw, like the reason I said I didn't fully know about the what is it? the PDT rule and why I was like kind of like hesitant is because it said it would be subject to brokerages kind of margin rules and requirements. So I think it's just subject to whatever Weeble's margin rules and requirements are, and that's like way too technical for me. So Moose said is SPY ready for a short here. I would say I don't necessarily think so. The dollar's dropping, so it could move up. I mean, we've gotten some good shorts on the SPY today, though. Tortilla said, "Yeah, I have a good talk with that person." Oh, you're very welcome. Hey, one thing I can say is I would say like no guarantees, but typically people in Freedom Charts is like make the money, like especially like if you look at this week, if it's like 97 a month, that's been made several times over. And it's like make that in a trade. Like even if like I feel like someone could come on only on Fridays, and it's like, oh, I've made the money for Freedom Charts already. And it's just now it's like every day. Apple trying to push. Oh really? Hold up. That's something I was looking for earlier. Oh, hold on, wrong. Oh, it's not pushing where I wanted to push. That's what I was looking for earlier today. That's what I thought I was gonna trade. They said no, sir. Oh, I still got my alert set. I forgot about that. Is your screen showing now? Showing the now versus wait. The screen you're showing now is trading views. Yeah, this is trading view. This is trading views platform. I essentially just use this for charting. I execute the trades on my phone. So I just use the app, whether it be Moomoo or Robinhood. I just execute that in my phone. Sunny Boy said, I thought you only streamed on Friday. This week, it's today because I am going to Utah, so I will not be streaming on Friday this week. But next week, we'll be back to Friday. It's like, yo, life happens. I got a conference this week. And I forgot to tell people last week. But the people in Freedom Charts, they know. Even if you're in the free section, I think I made an announcement. Let me see. Yeah, I made an announcement on like the 9th or 2 days ago that would not be able to. So just so you know, there is a free section to Freedom Charts too. There's like a morning kind of what is it? Like morning kind of like market kind of updates. Make like one post a morning. And then there's like a general chat. I'm gonna be real, it's not too active. But like it's like I do respond. Honestly, when it gets like too active, that's when I like kind of stop responding because it's overwhelming. But like while it's like not active, I'll say it's a good way to reach me. But if it gets like too active, it's like y'all gotta turn off the notifications. Oh shoot. Hey, with that being said, family, that is going to do it for the week. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming through. Hope y'all got to eat today, family. What was I gonna say? Yeah, Matthew Mayo signing off. I hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Matthew Mayo signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Leon, Webb. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, 001, Money PLV. Peace out, Alex. Peace out, Marcus. Peace out M Sense. Peace out SL Sayan. What else we got? Peace out Ken Hill. Peace out David. Peace out Moo. Peace out Tortillas. Peace out James. Austin. Peace out Hey Sonny Boy. Peace out Mahishu. And yeah. Should I have missed you? It's not because I don't love you, it's just because I ended it. But yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off and dive.